Myself, P.V. Ekhande, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering at Walchenstop Technology, Solapur. So today we'll see regarding the basics related to the projections of line. So at the end of this session, the students will be able to draw projections of lines when certain details and or part of the projections of endpoints of line is given. Let us see one example. Here the example or the question is, draw a projections of line AB if its true length is 65 millimeter, inclination with vertical plane, or we can call that as a frontal reference plane, FRP, is given as 45 degrees, means that is a true inclination, and end B is 45 millimeter above HRP. End B is 45 millimeter above HRP or HP. Here we have to consider end point A, which is the end of line AB, is 15 millimeter from both the reference planes. Means from HRP or above HRP the distance is 15 millimeter, and in front of FRP the distance is also 15 millimeter. So here if we consider the given data, now for this given data, as written in the question, the line name is AB, true length is 65 millimeter, true inclination with vertical plane or FRP is 45 degrees, and end B is 45 millimeter above HRP, and A end for starting the point is given at distance 15 millimeter above HRP and 15 millimeter in front of FRP. So let us see how to solve this question, how to proceed for obtaining the answer for this. Now here, as we have seen in the given data, line is written as AB. Line is written as AB. So first step is to complete the XY line. First step is to complete the XY line. So here the reference line which we are considering it as a XY line, we can call that as FH line also, means it is a intersection of frontal and horizontal plane, so we write that as a FH line. Now the point A, which is given at distance 15 millimeter above HRP, so we have to mark that point at 15 millimeter distance above HRP. So this point will consider point A F. Now this distance is 15 millimeter above HRP. Okay. Now on the projector of this, we will be locating the point AH. So this point is AH point. So this is also at a distance of 15 millimeter. So this distance is 15 millimeter in front of FRP. So these are the 2 points which we are drawing from the given data as AF and AH. Now in the question, what is given? True length is given for the line. So how much is true length of the line? 65 millimeter. And here one true angle is given. One true angle is given, which is that it is the true angle of the line with FRP or with vertical plane, and that is denoted as phi. So we always denote true angle as a phi and with FRP, and true angle with HRP is to be called as a theta angle, and accordingly in the front view side we will get this angle as a true angle, and inclination with FRP. So inclination with FRP, that will be seen in the downward direction. That will be seen in the downward direction because that is opposite to F, and the inclination with HRP will be seen in the upward direction. So that will be in the top view region. Now here the point A, with respect to that, first we have to complete the horizontal line for completing the angle 45 degrees with FRP from AH. So from AH, first step is to draw the horizontal line, so that with respect to this line we can complete an inclination of line at 45 degrees angle. So here from AH we will draw the line at 45 degrees angle. So line 45 degrees, that is to be completed with respect to this horizontal line. So this is true angle of the line, and on this true angle line, we will get the true length of the line. Means this is a line on which true length is obtained. So on this line, now we will mark the distance equal to true length. How much is the true length? So true length is equal to 65 millimeter. So this 65 millimeter distance we will take in compass and we will mark the distance on this line. So that is with the center AH. So we will take the center AH, we will take the distance equal to into compass as a 65 millimeter, and with respect to that we will cut the arc on the line which is drawn at true inclination 45 degrees with FRP. Now the point which we are getting over here is B dash H. So that is B dash H, because end is the B and dash is put up for indicating it as a shifted position, because this is a problem where we are considering the oblique line. It is not the line which is considered as a principal line, that is the horizontal or the frontal line. So this is a shifted position and the projection point will be obtained as a BH. So here this 65 millimeter distance is marked, and so this 65 millimeter is true length of the line. Means from this position, from the say AH point, so this line is obtained as a true length. So this line is obtained as a true length with 65 millimeter. Means here AH B dash H is true length of the line. Now as we know, when the true length of the line is there, the line indicates parallelity in the adjacent view. So we will complete the line parallel from AF, so that on this line we will get the position of B dash F, which will indicate the parallelity in the adjacent view as a AF B dash F, and that will be a front view length of the line. Now we will have the projector of this in the upward direction, and the intersection obtained over here is B dash F, and this is a line obtained as a front view length of the line. Now once we get the front view length over here, the next step is to obtain the actual position of B end on this side by rotating this B dash F point with respect to AF. Means we will take the distance equal to AF B dash F in compass and we will have the rotation of that. But where we will get the intersection in this? For that purpose, here the apparent inclination is not given, but the point B or the end B is given with the position with respect to HRP. So end B is lying at distance 45 millimeter above HRP. So distance for B point is given as 45 millimeter and that is above HRP. So here we'll get the position of BF on the locus which is to be completed with respect to this B end, and for that purpose we will take the distance 45 millimeter from FH line. The distance of 45 millimeter is to be taken and the locus is to be completed. So this line is a locus of B end. So locus of B end which is completed at distance 45 millimeter from HRP or above HRP. Now here on this line we will be getting the position of B dash F, and for that purpose we will draw the projector, we will have the rotation of this and we will have the intersection of this. So this is the point which we are getting on the locus and the point is called as BF. So that is a BF, and the line connecting these 2 points, the line connecting these 2 points is front view of the line. So that is front view of the line, and this is the projection on this side, that is the front view side. Now to get the projection in the top view, what is to be done? We must draw the locus through this B dash H. So we will have the locus through this B dash H which is given with the angle over there as a B dash H, and on this then we will have the intersection from this BF point. So we will take the projector in the downward direction, it will have the intersection over here, and that point is BH, that is a BH, and line connecting this BH to AH, line connecting this BH to AH is top view of the line. So this is top view of the line, whereas earlier view which is obtained is a front view of the line. So this is regarding obtaining the projections of the line with the given data. Yes, thank you.